You come shut it down like a shutter. You don't know if you need that thing go. Dutch.
And all the Vendetta fans, them are going to wake up Jamaica. And it's going to be an Alkaline and Vybz Kartel, bro. Alkaline just make Kartel go and enjoy look yourself now, you know. You see my gear one already, say my dangerous youth, you know. Pre-Alkaline history, you know, brother.
You see what me say, me touch KFC and I feel. Will you send that pig they come? And send that KFC they come.
You can't hide talent and you can't hold on real talent. Prior to Vybz Kartel getting released from prison, enough selector and enough people are going to let them know and hold on Likkle Addi and Likkle Vybz career. The for them never want to play the artist them song. But since them see how the world boss forward the road, everybody are trying to run with the Likkle Addi and Likkle Vybz them song and I'll go and like see how they want to run in on the thing and all. But
Alkaline I got at 2025 and if Alkaline is going to go at Kartel. It's strange, you know. Cause most Gaza fans, you know, is a Vendetta fan, you know.
We are gangster, them a handicap. And the girl them they are name the crutch. Guns and plenty rocks.
So now people, all of that is coming up into the video plus more, you see me I say. But first, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, and from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today. And right now people, we see we're in which Pops YG from TikTok. Yeah, basically Pops YG was at Boom Sunday, you see me I say. And Pops YG was on the stage. Yeah, and basically while Pops YG was on stage, Pops YG call up one and pick them, you see me I say. Yeah, and feed the pig KFC on stage. But here what people, check out this video and jump on the honest thoughts down into the comment section on this situation.
Me and a TikTok or jobber, me a jobber in a real life. You see what me say, me touch KFC and I feel. Will you send that pig they come? And send that KFC they come. I used to me a come and come. Send the pig come and send that KFC they come. At 35,000, now give one of this bumbo clock tonight. And the one give girl. One give pick to a girl finger raising. Send up in the black clock up. Pass here.
So now people, we see we're in which dancehall artist Vybz Kartel, this not nice, as you may say. And really and truly people, you know remember when Vybz Kartel push out him Street Vybz run before him go prison. Yeah, and also Vybz Kartel they create a song to promote his Street Vybz run at that point in time, as you may say. And there was a line in that song where Vybz Kartel say, somebody get ice, not nice. Anyway people, hear what? Check out this.
Somebody get ice, not nice.
Yeah, so basically people, so you see when Vybz Kartel say, yo, somebody get ice, not nice. So you know, say at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel said not nice for the rum and for the ice. So me I say, and right now we all know that Vybz Kartel put out 3 other brands of rum right now. Basically, him also created a song to promote the rum. You see me I say, and there is a line in that song where the artist shade not nice. You see me I say, and basically the artist I say, check out this.
Hold on. Somebody else get ice. Make TG not nice.
Yes, so basically people, you can hear the artist I say, yo, somebody else get ice. Make TG not nice. So right now, the artist no want not nice I go film liquor. The artist no want not nice I go film ice. The artist no trust not nice. You see me I say. But basically people, you know say me just there as a talk right now. You see me I say, tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. You see me I say. And basically really and truly, you know say the artist are not nice, not really good. You see me I say. And really and truly, a brawl in the mankind of this not nice. Because I know not nice I hear the song. So you don't know people. But we all know this is Vybz Kartel from a longer time. You see me I say Vybz Kartel them a troublemaker. You see me I say when it come to the music thing lyrically. You see me I say, and at the end of the day to see him way, since the artist come, we also know that the artist shade Alkaline to in the comment. You see me I say, yeah, basically there's a line in there where the artist I say, yo, some artists career cut short like Nicki Minnie. And we all know say, yeah, basically Alkaline the artist attack, even though the artist never really call Alkaline name. You see me I say, and we all know say, yo, Alkaline kinda shade back Vybz Kartel in Dangerous Youth. For y'all who don't know that song there, yeah, you can go check out Alkaline Vivo. You see me I say the song is entitled Dangerous Youth, as I said before. You see me I say, so basically people, I want to tell me what you think about all of this. You see me I say, yeah, let me know if you really feel say, yo, Kartel just a shade, not nice, brawling and no response. You see me I say, yeah. And basically big up VYBZ Kartel to see me. And big up not nice to just the same. You see me I say, people. But also right now we still hearing which top selector Nico Fire. Basically Nico Fire said there will be a VYBZ Kartel and Alkaline showdown in 2025. And this thing, he must say basically him feel like say all of this are gonna start after the Freedom Street concert. You see me I say? And it's a must because as what I said before, you can see it a eat up already. If you no go listen to Dangerous Youth as what I said before, yeah, then you don't know how the thing goes. You see me I say? But basically people, here what I want to do. I want to check out this from Nico Fire and drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section. What do you really think about when Nico Fire say right here, sir?
Just listen to me I say. 2025, Alkaline and all the vendetta fans them are going to wake up Jamaica. And it's going to be an Alkaline and VYBZ Kartel, bro. 2025. Alkaline I just make Kartel go and enjoy look yourself now, you know. Remember I say Kartel at the unruly picnic class, you know. Where you know look like he might get no trouble. Now no, and he just come out, come give peer problem, you know. You soon see some subs come brother. Wait till after a concert.
Well,
you see my gear one already, you know, that's like, you see my gear one already, that's my dangerous youth, you know. Pre-alkaline history, you know, brother. Any man know music, you know, pre-alkaline history. Alkaline I got at 2025 and the Alkaline is going to go at Kartel 2025. Just remember me say to Yoshidel on the interview, yeah. Because 2025 we're going to replay the interview, yeah, back, you know. Yeah. And Vendetta fans know Alkaline still and Kartel fans and the Gaza fans them, even though Kartel and Alkaline have the same fans still, you know. It's strange, you know. Because most Gaza fans, you know, is a Vendetta fan, you know. True. And enough Gully fans, you know, is a Gaza fan, you know.
True.
So one of them, see your brother, 2025 I got at brother.
Well, basically, people, in my own opinion, yeah, me really agree with Nico Fire with enough of the thing them we must say right. I say, you see me I say, and definitely there will be a showdown in 2025 versus Alkaline and VYBZ Kartel. You see me I say, as well we say, yeah, you can see the thing I eat up already, and we all know say, yo, there go come a time where VYBZ Kartel just a do him thing brawling and Alkaline a do him thing brawling. But also basically agree when Nico Fire say, yo, basically all of Vendetta fans and also Gully fans is also Gaza fans, as I say. And really and truly, when you really look into it, people, and check the statistics, yeah, all of this is facts. So you don't know, big up Nico Fire. And basically, I know say most of the Vendetta fans and the Gully fans are going to say at the end of the day, say, yo, them are no Gaza fans. But if you really check the facts, yo, Gully and Vendetta spring from Gaza. You see me I say, so whether you want to deny it or not, it is just the facts. You see me I say, people. And really and truly, if there wasn't a Gaza, there wouldn't be a Gully. And we already know that the teacher first did say Vendetta. You see me I say, people. But as what I said before, I want to share on honest thoughts on this situation down into the comment section and make we discuss it. You see me I say, people. Also know, people, we have an individual that is bigging up Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addi. You see me I say, and basically, he must say, yo, enough man used to try to fight the youth them career, you see me I say, and the youth them a put out quality tune more than enough of the artists them where the people them are run down, you see me I say. And since VYBZ Kartel come, you can see say VYBZ Kartel a shoot them career out there, you see me I say. Yeah, because basically people, we know say since VYBZ Kartel come out, him two son them thing take off and enough people start gravitate to the youth them right now through them see VYBZ Kartel come out, you see me I say. And this individually basically I say, yo, give the man them shine because of quality music the man them a put out, which is true. And at the end of the day, we know say VYBZ Kartel, which is them father, is one of the best songwriters in Jamaica. You see me I say, but people, me not go chat out the thing, me I go make you check out this video for yourself and tell me what you think about this situation down into the comment section.
You see, in our life, you can't hide talent and you can't hold on real talent. Prior to VYBZ Kartel getting released from prison, enough selector and enough people are going to let them know how long Likkle Addi and Likkle Vybz career. The for them never want to play the artist them song. But since them see how the world boss forward the road, everybody are trying to run with the Likkle Addi and Likkle Vybz them song and go on like see how they want to run in on the thing and all. But I mean, it is what it is. The two artists them bad. Them bad within their own rights as an artist. want the people them stop and say, oh, Cartel son them. Call them by them name, man. Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addi. Them are individual artists. You get me? I say, I want to see them on some stage show now. A time now for us to see them on some stage show. Because them have whole heap of songs. Them have whole heap of songs. And the artists them when we see, them selector you push to the forefront and them people you try push to the forefront. Them not as talented as Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addi. Them not half talented as Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addi. The caliber of music where them man they push out, produce, write, bro, can't compare to them artists to Mali Dan them to Najiri to bro, none of them artists they can't compare to Likkle Addi and Likkle Vybz. The quality of music where the man them push to the forefront. Or just the people them are going to say, oh, them don't want to push the man them song to the forefront. Dog. Bro, if you sit down and listen to the man them song where the man them write, dog, and push out from the man them was a tiny tap to right now the man them done in a big established artist, bro. Give the man them props and give the man them shine, bro, cause the man them bad. Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addi big up on themselves likewise. You see me? Right now Likkle Addi have the song trending in Jamaica now, Man of the Match. It had the crazy numbers, over 2 million odd in a short space of time. I think if memory serves me correct, that is his most popular song, meaning in terms of numbers. Because bro, we see some blood nutters pull up, some blood nutters money pull up over that song there so far. We don't know if we see it on online, but the song that create waves, bro. And we need them to push the song them more because the song bad.
You really and truly people, me not gonna lie, a pure facts me see the money attack. You see me I say, because enough man never did want to highlight the youth them, and we know say at the end of the day the youth them did a put out tune before Vybz Kartel come on road. You see me I say, and since the artists come on road, yeah, as I said before, the youth them thing take off. You see me I say, even since recently Vybz Kartel and his son was on the most trending. You see me I say, so I know say at the end of the day Vybz Kartel there now, so you know say enough people are gonna run in and make it look like say yeah them did a support from a longer time. You see me I say, oh you don't know, big up to Vybz Kartel, because I can tell you say when this is all said and done, them two youth they are gonna be two of the biggest star them in Jamaica. You see me I say, because remember you know people, so the father so the son in it, you see me I say, and Vybz Kartel gene in a them two youth, so you don't know say at the end of the day a greatness upon greatness. You see me I say. But anyways people, I want to tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. Yeah man, make we discuss it. You see me I say. Also remember to give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest updates from Flava Media Ent TV. But people, you already know how we do the thing already. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.